Welcome to First Friday in Las Vegas. Tonight, we're diving into the heart of the Arts District, where creativity thrives and the streets come alive with incredible art, music, and delicious food. Stick around to discover the hidden gems and vibrant energy that make this event a must-see every single month. Don't miss out on the dynamic creative experience at First Friday in Las Vegas. Come join us this month. So one of the most important things that you can do when you're going to First Friday to make it a more smooth experience for yourself is book your parking in advance. Now there's lots of places to park, but parking fills up really fast. Downtown is kind of notorious for that in the first place, but then when you have a bunch of people descending on the Arts District for First Friday, parking becomes a bear and you can pay a lot of money. So I'm going to show you what I do. So download the app from the company called ParkWiz, W-H-I-Z, and then follow along. So here's the ParkWiz app, and we're gonna put in there, in the search bar, First Friday, and there it is. You can see May. You pick that. That's the main street parking. Just hit book now. $6. Continue to book, and then you pay, and that's it. Then you're done. Okay, so with the parking situation, you come out front and there's a shuttle stop right in front of the customer service center for Las Vegas. And then you get on the shuttle that will take you directly to our First Friday. It's super simple. Alright, so we just got off the bus. Now we're going to head in to First Friday. Alright guys, so we're here. First Friday obviously happens the first Friday of every month here in the Arts District in Las Vegas. Amazing time to be had for all. Come with us because we're going to show you how to do First Friday the right way.
There are all sorts of vendors here, as you can see, and the only issue that we have is that some of these vendors are here consistently monthly and others are not. You're just going to have to check with those vendors, like if you wanted to come back and pick something up later, check with them and make sure that they're there, because you don't want to be disappointed when you come back and you can't find them. As you can see, they do allow you to bring your dog to First Friday, but my recommendation is to avoid it during the hot summer months, and don't bring your dog if they're sensitive to crowds or loud noises. Make sure to take a quick moment to get out of the heat and explore the art galleries that are on the inside of the building.
Super crowded here today. Got people with their puppy dogs. Guy has pins. Really cool. You see some really awesome stuff here sometimes. Just all depends on who shows up that day.
One of the cool aspects of First Friday is they attract a large collection of food trucks. You have all sorts of food to choose from hot dog on a stick to pierogies to pizza and tacos. Just jump on in get some yummy food.
So yeah, it's basically like a little street festival that they have every month. Apparently it's been a tradition here for a really long time. People love it. More people that we've met living here in Vegas have talked about coming to First Friday than pretty much anything else that anyone does here. It's just a thing. I mean, there's a pretty good sized security presence. Usually they borrow the security guards from Fremont Street, but it's just interesting. There's t-shirts, there's people make their own bags, they make incense, jewelry. You see some funny sayings on some of this stuff. It's just intriguing to me how many people there are. So First Friday, if you're in Vegas, you got nothing else to do on a Friday night and it's the first Friday of the month, come on down. Arts District, just look up Bungalow Coffee Co. and it's right there, you can't miss it. Or Bin 18, or 18 Bin, sorry. Look for that. That's the way to go here, guys. Anyway, we are gonna jump on the bus